Hey fam, this is Nettie Super Me Journey. Well fam, I'm looking at some sheds out here in Deriddle. These are some used, repossessed. Some of them are used, repossessed. Not all of them, but some of them are. Let me look at this one here. On the outside. This is one that was returned, I believe. Oh, this is big. I don't know what the foot is, the footage on it. I don't see any papers on the wall that gives me that. The floors are bad. So somebody they didn't. This is a big, nice space. I don't see any potentials for me in it. Got the loft. So this is one used, repossessed, return. Got the loft up there too. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How about 8 bundles? Yeah, okay. This is one. Don't like the setup on that. Let's see what this one looks like. This is a return, a repossessed, or whatever. Because they said a repossessed one's in the front. I don't like the way the wood look. They did partial electric in it. Yeah, they got electrical hooked up on. No windows. Oh, only in the front. But this is called the deluxe. The roaches in it and everything. Nope, don't see any potential with that either. These I'm looking at. This is one small. This look like. Yeah, just don't look any bigger than mine. Have electrical hookup in it. Quite a few switches, but not the size I bring. Let me close the door. I just wanted to see see how pretty that is outside. It's not bad looking, but I want something bigger than that. So I'm gonna keep it moving. See down there, back over there? I'm going back there. Go back there. Oh, sorry, family. I am such a bad photographer or filmer, whatever you want to call it. God, dog, I still got this thing in the car. All right, family, this is Nettie Journey. I'm gonna have more videos coming. All right, y'all, gonna have a blessed day. Bye-bye.